Okay guys, today we have a 2004 Honda Accord here. This customer has a problem that you see that blinking light inside? The alarm is active. So she can't get the car to start. She has aftermarket alarm. Let me show you this is the remote she had. This is a wiper alarm. So she can't get the car started. She called me, she gave me a key. She calls me and tells me her car doesn't start and the remote is busted. So I gave her some instructions how to, I don't know too much about alarms, but I'm gonna show you guys today how to disable this wiper alarm. If you have a wiper alarm, you can disable it. And I told her to put the key in and there should be a switch down there. She managed to find that switch. So we was able to disable that. The problem she has is every time she gets to the car, she has to take this key, unlock the car with the key, get in the car, and the alarm is active. And once she puts the key in the ignition, car won't start. And I gave her some instructions how to get this car running, and I'm gonna show you guys how to disable this wiper car alarm. To disable this alarm, you have to go down by the foot panel. This is where your gas pedal and the brake pedal is. On any wiper alarm, there's a belay switch. These two switches, these are used to program, and one is a belay switch, one is a program switch. So we're gonna use this switch right here. To disable this alarm, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this key, the original key of the car, you're gonna put the key in the ignition just like that. You're gonna turn the key to accessory, you're gonna press this button once and then hold it the second time. Let me try that again because I'm trying to work it with one hand. So you put the key in the ignition, turn it, press, let go, press, and then you hold. And the alarm should disable. And the car will start just like that. It's a simple step. So all you do is turn the key. Within 10 seconds, you're gonna press this, let go, press, and hold, and you will see this light will stop blinking. And that's it. That's how you disable a car alarm, wiper car alarm on any car. It could be any car, long as it has a wiper alarm.